Lingportal Online School presents
Telling the Time Quiz. Are you ready to test your time-telling skills? In this short quiz, you'll practice reading clocks and understanding time expressions. Can you get them all right? Let's find out. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. What time is it? It's 10 past 10. What time is it? It's 5:45 p.m. What time is it? It's midnight. What time is it? "20 minutes past 10. 10:20. Both are correct. What time is it? A 6:30. What time is it? It's 8:25. What does 7:45 mean? "7:45. Your class starts at 9:15. Don't be late. How do you say 4:05 in words? "Five past 4. What does 3:15 mean? "15 minutes past 3. Your friend says, "Let's meet at 10 to 10. What time is that in numbers? Great job. Did you get all the answers right? Keep practicing, and soon telling the time in English will be as easy as reading a clock.